How to remove someone from a Discord group. What's up everyone? In today's video I'll show you guys how you can remove someone from Discord group. So let's just jump right in. So if you're trying to remove someone from your Discord group, not the server but the DMs group, this is how you do it. Open up your Discord application, and once you open it up, just make sure to head over to the DM section, and here you'll find all of your DMs. So just head over to the group where you want to remove member. But you need to make sure that you need the admin access or the admin controls, or you need to have some power in the group to remove members. I've created this group so I can add or remove any members I want. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. Go ahead and click on the group up top, and here you'll have an option to remove any member. So there are 4 members here. So what you can do is just click on any one profile, and you'll be able to visit their profile. And if you want to remove them from the group, tap on the 3 lines and then click on remove from group. Now you have successfully removed this person from the group. So you can do the same for others as well. Click on it, tap on the 3 lines, and then tap on remove from group, and they will be removed. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.